In this video, I'll demonstrate how to easily delete a group on Facebook. Make sure to watch until the very end to avoid any mistakes. And of course, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's dive in. First, open the Facebook app, then tap on the menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, navigate to Groups and tap on it. Next, you'll see the groups you manage. Select the group you want to delete. Once you are in the group, tap on Manage. Before deleting the group, we need to remove all the members. To do this, go to the Members section. You'll see a list of members. Remove each member one by tapping on the three dots next to the name. Then select Ban from Group and confirm. After removing all members, go back to the Manage page, scroll down to the bottom until you found Delete Group. Tap on it. Confirm that you want to delete the group by tapping on Delete Group again. And that's it. Your group is now deleted from Facebook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.